All right, what's going on, Tycoons? Super excited for today's video. We're going to be looking at the Fantom slash FTM slash USDT. Okay, that's for the Fantom token. Fantom is really nice. If you don't know anything about the fundamentals of Fantom, I would definitely look into that. Fantom is a really interesting coin I like. Okay, so what I have here is going to be we have the fib levels. Okay, from our swing low up to the swing high up here. Our golden pocket. All right, which is basically if you don't know, a lot of times people like using the fibs to catch things in the golden pocket. Okay, so the golden pocket is between 0.618 and 0.65 on the Fibonacci levels. So for the price of this token, that's going to be between $1.43 and $1.32. Okay, so set some alerts in that area. All right, that's a good area to possibly look at getting some long positions on. Okay, it definitely still can drop further, but I think the furthest that this will drop is going to be 0.87. If we do break below 132, looking at the daily chart, we already bounced off the 200 SMA once. Okay, we wicked down here, we tried to come down here, it bounced off the 200 SMA, came up, and we're still a little bit red. Okay, so don't fight the trend. This thing has been going down as of recently. We have a nice double top head and shoulders right here. So that's basically a head and shoulders where you have your left shoulder, your head, and your right shoulder. But the head, instead of being one big candle like up in the middle, if you notice, what we have is a nice double top. We have a top here and a top there. This is what's known as a double top head and shoulders. And it looks like we're most likely going to hit the projected move, which would bring us down to $1.16 per coin. All right. So if we end up dipping and let's say we don't find support in the golden pocket between $1.43 and $1.32, we're most likely going to hit the projected move for the head and shoulders, which will take us down to $1.12. And if you look here at that $1.12 area, it's right at the 200 SMA on the daily chart. And, we already bounced at $1.14, $1.13, that area already one time here. So if we do come back down, that would be a double bottom on a smaller time frame. So let me show you guys what I mean real quick, okay? All right, so let's look at the 1 hour chart real quick. All right, and so basically if this thing comes back down and then boom, we hit there, all right, and then we would go back up like this. All right, here, let me get rid of that. Let me draw this over a little bit. All right, so let's say we come up here, okay, we fall back down, we don't land in the golden pocket, okay, we don't find support at the golden pocket. If you look, we did find support right at that level here. So currently it is a very nice little strong support level. But if we do break that support and fall through here, let's say we come down here, we'd have a nice little double bottom, okay, and we could see that double bottom take us back up to these highs over here. All right, so it may go something a little bit like this. It might not be a straight ride up. We could, go do something like this. All right. But that's what I think, we're going to find support at. I think we're going to find support in the golden pocket. And if we don't find it in the golden pocket, then we're going to find it at that level in between, where is it, like $1.43, I think it was. Yeah, so between $1.43 and $1.32, if we don't find support there, most likely our next support level is going to be $1.12. And if we don't bounce at $1.12, our support level below that is going to be 87 cents a coin. If you are bullish on the Fantom network and, Fantom and everything, then I wouldn't panic too much if you're trying to grab some long-term positions in the golden pocket, like to buy and hold. But trading wise, I would say that this thing is good to essentially, just keep, ride the momentum of the head and shoulders down. Okay, I think we come back down. If you look on the 1 hour chart, we even had another little smaller head and shoulders right here. So boom, 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 boom. And then if you notice, we'll zoom in. when we hit this price target for the head and shoulders, freaking tanked. Okay, we tanked real hard right there. One thing I say that we could have is, I would say maybe a bear flag on the 1 hour chart. Okay, so say something like this. Okay. All right. So if we break below this channel right here, let me zoom in a little bit more. You guys can understand. Okay. So the way a bear flag works, this is one way to chart it, but basically we have this, all this bearishness right here. And then the flag part is once you start to pull back, you know, in the opposite direction of the trend and consolidate sideways a little bit. All right. So if we do that, we pull back and we come back through and then we break through this channel. Okay. And we're looking at the 1 hour chart. So what I mean by a break through this channel is going to mean that the candlesticks come down here and then they are opening and closing below this trend line. So if you notice, we're bouncing right at the middle of this trend line right now as support. It's bouncing off this dotted line as support. This is the middle of that channel. Once we break the middle of this, we'll come back down here, and that's where we could see a bounce. Okay, so we could see it come up, come down, bounce here, come up. But if we see it break below this and it's opening and closing below this, you know, that would be a confirmation of the bear flag, and that would send us even lower, and you know, basically send us closer towards the, it would put us just below the golden pocket and probably around that 115, 112 area that I was saying. You know, we'll find support if we don't find support within the golden pocket. All right, so thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys like this video. Let me know if there's any other coins you guys want me to look at, analyze, make an update on. If you have any stocks or anything like that you want me to look at, I'll be happy to do that. We do stocks, options, crypto here, and you know, we're really try to just give good information, good technical analysis, and put you guys on a couple coins or a couple stocks or just a couple trading strategies and ideas that, you know, I don't see a lot of other people doing, or giving, you know, real good in-depth quality, you know, videos on. All right.